Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the sequence that contains the audio clip you want to end with reverb. Once open, make sure the track is soloed in the audio track mixer so your changes are isolated. Next, add Studio Reverb from Audio Effects to the track's effects rack. This gives you a non-destructive send option. As you add it, set an initial wet/dry mix low, around 10–20%, so you can hear the original signal and avoid an overwhelming reverb tail. Now automate the reverb so it crescendos only at the end. You can choose clip keyframes or track automation. I prefer track automation for smoother curves. Once done, draw an automation ramp, raising the effect wet parameter over the last 1 to 3 seconds. Make sure to set pre-delay to about 20–50 milliseconds and decay between 1.5 and 3 seconds for a natural-sounding tail. Finally, preview with the whole mix and tweak wet/dry and decay. Finish by rendering a short preview or export of the end portion to confirm the reverb behaves in the final file. If the tail sounds muddy or overwhelms the mix, reduce decay time and lower the wet level. Also apply a gentle high-pass filter to the reverb send around 80 to 120 Hz to remove excess low end. If you still hear clicks, make sure fades are applied before automation and that sample rates match across assets. Once satisfied, export the full master with your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.